I got my iPad back, by the way, so I can live.
Say hi, Zachary.
Hi.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
You think I like recordings too? Just like you?
I do.
This is still going on MySpace.
This is not going on my face.
Can't lose with audio. Hey, I'm recording now too.
Sweet.
Oh, I'm zooming.
Let's record each other. I don't think I can zoom in.
How?
Nope, I can't.
Oh, it won't zoom out.
See? Oh, great.
Can't zoom out. All
You guys are pretty cool recording each other recording.
You know what, Zachary? You just showed you can't record like us.
Yep.
Exactly.
I should go out and buy a camera.
You should.
I could take pictures of you
Just
outside.
get
No.
cheap ones. Cheap ones for like $70.
I know, but then
Oh. Oh. I just stepped in something really
I'm
gross.
zooming on your ear.
Caitlin, say hi.
Do you want me to do that again?
Do it.
See, do it. Do it.
And we're all like, do it. Do it. So, Caitlin, how'd that vodka feel on your stomach?
Feels pretty good.
this
Oh.
is going on MySpace.
Oh God, no.
It burned on mine.
Yes, it
Except, wait, do you have an empty
You got
stomach?
a headache from
If you have an empty
communion
stomach,
wine.
then it burns.
Oh, really?
I mean,
I had
alcohol
a
does
pretty
too.
empty stomach.
Well, that's probably why the communion wine gives you a headache.
It does.
It gives you a headache?
Yeah,
It's only like that much.
I know.
I'd rather have that much.
I love their wine. Like, seriously.
It's really good.
How do you like the wine?
It's alright.
I hate the wafer.
All right.
Coming from a guy who checks out Prolly's butts, though.
Yeah.
You can't resist.
The wafer.
No, I said.
so big. You
I
said that's
look
what
at that.
you said.
They all have big butts, and she's like, and I'm like, you can't
ew.
resist it.
You're like,
The wafer
no,
is like-
you did not say that.
I know. It's
Yeah, I did.
horrible.
You didn't. You said you just can't resist not looking at it.
Gross.
That's what you said.
Gross. Naughty.
Why are you pointing
at?
at?
On the table.
OMG. Caitlin, remember?
Oh yeah, from the bus.
I do not want to know. I do not want to.
Stop.
Okay, Pooh. What are you taking? What are you doing?
Inappropriate. What?
Inappropriate.
Hey!
Ew.
Camera make out. Ready, go. I'm done.